Yes. Fall is here. At least, you know, we still get some sunshine. Ooh, this is quite horny. This too, fully covered. Max is such a great hiker. He scrambles so fast. No, don't do that. What do you mean steep? It's not steep for Max. Very well done. Well done, Max. There you go. And then we're gonna hike some more. Let's go for more hike. Go free. No, it's okay. Free. I'll follow you. Are you ready? Go. Free. We're gonna go there until there. Maybe hang out in the over area. Okay, come on. Free. You're waiting for me. Okay, I'll go down. Yeah, I'll go down. Thank you, I'll go down. Okay, free. I cannot walk the steps. Go. Well done. Let's go. Free. Okay, I think you want to play. This is then an area where at least I can throw your frisbee. Are you ready? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, okay, find that. Can you search? Oh no. If Max doesn't find it, I'll be the one to search for it. So I know it fell into the shrub, bush. I hope we can easily get it. Yes, I think you found it. Find it? Yes! You found it? Well done. Thank you, Max. Very good. Okay, drop. Well done. Are you ready? Okay, this one is so good. He's so good at scrambling. He's so natural. Yes. Very good, Max. Drop. Drop. Ready? Spin. Twirl. Look at that. Who's an agile dog? Is that you? Very good. Okay. Shall we head back? Is that good height for now? Yeah? Okay, let's head back. Walk or go back? Okay. Is that good enough? Well, if we walk back now, it's another half an hour, so that's gonna be like 1 hour of exploring. What do you think? And then you can have a nap? Or we wanna explore more? Okay, maybe we just walk up to that. What do you think? Yeah? Let's play later after we walk up. Yeah? Okay, let's walk up. To balance walking on these, so I'm gonna capture once I get to the stairs part. I know, is this effortless for you? I think Max is just